Hi, I'm Sunil Mishra, and I run a management and consulting firm. Also do startup advisory and angel investment. Yeah.
So how was your total experience of ExcelwithKewal in those 2 days?
I think this was brilliant. I mean, when I came in, I said I was 5'10", and there were a lot of things which I did not know that I did not know. So when I came in here, I think that was an eye-opener. I learned a lot, especially some newer functions which I had never used. At the same time, there was a lot of refresher course. I picked up things like VLOOKUP, match and all, which I had used long ago, but it was kind of a refresher for me. So
brilliant. So what all were the problems you were able to do since you loved it so much and you learned a lot? Now there'll be a piece of cake for you. What all were the problems?
So if I can give one example, I mean, the situation where we had to do a lot of data crunching, and if we have to do analysis based on what we use as slicer, if we have to do a combination of the country, city, maybe employees or salespeople, those kind of things are much easier now, because now I can focus using on that how the data would look up in the table. So I think it's a much better analysis from sales, employee performance, and so on.
Brilliant. And so from what you said, you were 5 before coming to this workshop.
Yeah.
Now how do you rate yourself on a scale?
I think I would still rate myself 7 or 8. I mean, not more than that. Maybe I would say 7, reach 10, because there are a lot of things which we have not covered, I guess, some newer things which are coming in. So I would say maybe 7 is where I am.
Thanks a lot. It was a pleasure having you, Sunil.
Thank you so much.